A Little Wordy, How to Play. The object of the game is to have the most berry tokens at the end. Sit across from each other and shuffle the decks. Deal 4 cards face up from each deck between the players so they can both easily read them. Return the rest of the cards to the box. They will not be used. Place the berry tokens in the center of the table. Give each player a marker and shield, which they unfold and set up in front of themselves. Mix up the letter tiles in their corresponding bags. Then, each player picks 4 vowel and 7 consonant tiles and places them behind their screen, hidden from their opponent. Each player now arranges any number of their 11 letter tiles in front of them to form a secret word. The word can be any length, including 1 tile, but it must be a valid word. If your secret word is misspelled or does not exist in the Exploding Kittens dictionary, then you automatically lose the game. You are allowed to verify your word in the dictionary, but you may not browse for new words. You are not allowed to use proper nouns. Write down your secret word in the corresponding spot on your card. Then, mix up all your letter tiles face up. Fold your player shield down, then under, and set it to the side so your secret word is hidden, but your notes section is available for you to use. You are allowed to secretly look at it at any time. Both players swap tiles and play begins. Pick a player to go first, then turns alternate. On your turn, you may either activate 1 clue or guess the secret word. To activate a clue, pick one of the face-up clue cards and follow its instructions, writing down any notes on your player's shield. Once finished, your opponent then collects berries from the middle equal to the number at the top of the clue card you used. You are only allowed to use 1 clue card each turn, but there is no limit to the number of times a clue card can be used by either player. If you choose to guess your opponent's secret word, then form the word with the tiles in front of you, then announce your guess. If you are incorrect, then they gain 2 berries and your turn ends. If you are correct and currently have more berries than your opponent, then you win. If you are correct but your opponent has the same number or more berries than you, then your opponent keeps playing until either you gain more berries than them and win, or they correctly guess your word while having more berries and they win. If you have both guessed correctly and it is a tie, then at the count of 3, each of you must race to form a valid 4-letter word in front of you that hasn't already been used in the game. The first to do so wins.